So today is Friday, July 10th, and we're going back out to, we're going to take a walk here. It's about 10 in the morning. We're going to go back to the church where my wife practices piano for about an hour every day. It's only about a 12-minute walk there through a rice field. So my goal is to see if I can find some interesting things to videotape today and put in a little video blog compilation at the end of the day. So here we go. We deserve some ice cream after walking in this weather.
Look at your belly, and they talk about it.
Yeah, we bought a cheap used car and we can't even use it. We got air conditioning in that cheap used car and you don't even want to use it.
Why you gonna waste the extra money? You have no income.
Yeah, no income, that's right. It's called retirement.
Yeah.
Okay, one of our daily routines is to walk over to this church about 12 minutes away through the rice field where my wife gets to practice piano for about 45 minutes and I get to do some studying and reading on my book. Because of the plague in the 1300s, between 30% and 60% of the population of Europe died. Holy crap. Across the street over there behind me is a river. So let's go check it out. Call that mountain back there a pyramid because it's so triangular in shape. There's a number of hills around here that are very triangular. Interesting. What I filmed there was just me cleaning up some of the windows just because I walked by and it was bothering me. That's one thing that, I mean, there's a lot of great things about Korea, but one of the things that bothers me is there's too much trash and there's too many weeds and overgrown, and it just doesn't look all that nice. Understanding that people are just going about their lives and working every day, and the weather is hot and humid. A lot of people aren't outside in the hot weather, but so maybe in the fall they'll start trimming and cutting down the weeds and cleaning things up again. But it just bothers me to the point that sometimes I'm out, when we're out walking, I'm picking weeds, and my wife hates that. But so this was just a reaction to seeing that mess on the windows and wanting to just make a small change, but it's just a drop in the ocean. There's nothing I can do about it, so I just have to learn to accept it and see what happens. It's interesting. Okay, we did it. We did it. Bamboo ice cream.
Yeah.
We deserve it. Right? We deserve it.
I think so.
Tastes more like matcha green tea ice cream, but it's good.